In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone camera app keeps crashing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and I'll be showing you two different methods for this, and it works on literally any iPhone you have. So if you open up your camera app, it keeps crashing. Let's say whenever you open it, it just instantly freezes or anything like that. If it's still open in the background, what you want to do is swipe up on your screen. You're going to see the app selector. Go ahead and swipe upwards and then completely close it. Then try and open up your camera app and see if that works. And if that doesn't work, then what we're going to do is a hard forced reboot. So press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, then immediately press and hold the side power button. Now keep holding that side button for roughly 10 seconds and completely ignore the slide to power off layout interface until the screen goes black and the Apple logo flashes on the screen. Then let go and allow the device to boot normally. And yeah, then you should be good to go once you try and open up the camera app again. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials as well.